Most people do this wrong. They cut a branch, stick it in dirt, and watch it die.
Every single time. It is a cycle of failure that stops today. But what if I told you there's a method, used by professional horticulturists, that roots almost any branch? Using things already in your kitchen, this is the hidden system of nature.
Today I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step, the forgotten knowledge.
And there is one critical step that determines whether you're cutting roots or rots. Stay with me until the end, because if you skip even one part of this process,
you'll keep losing every cutting you try. This is for your survival. Roses, pomegranates, fruit trees, berry bushes, it doesn't matter what plant you have.
This method works on all of them. I've tested it on dozens of species.
Here's the problem nobody talks about. The moment you cut a branch, it becomes a target. Fungal spores and bacteria attack the exposed tissue before roots can even form. That's why most cuttings don't fail because of bad luck. They fail for a reason.
They fail because of missing protection and missing stimulation. Two things we're fixing today.
Step 1. Selecting the right branch. You want something between pencil and finger width. Too thin and it won't survive. Too thick and it won't root efficiently. Choose wisely.
Remove most of the leaves. The cutting doesn't need them to root. It's a distraction. Leaves only steal energy the plant needs to build a new life. Strip them away. Even if your branch has small fruits on it, like mine does here, don't panic.
We'll see later that with the right technique, those fruits often survive the whole process.
Now the step that changes everything. Scrape the bottom 2.5 centimeters. Carefully. You're looking for the green cambium layer underneath. That's where the life is.
This exposed inner tissue is where roots actually emerge from. It is the genesis point.
By removing the bark, you increase surface contact. This is the secret most people skip.
Now we protect those cells. Fill a glass with about 250 milliliters of water. 1 cup.
Add just a small pinch of cinnamon powder, nature's protector for the weak.
Cinnamon contains natural antifungal compounds used for thousands of years. It's powerful.
It forms a protective shield at the exact moment the plant is most vulnerable. A shield of life.
Place your cuttings in the cinnamon water for exactly 10 minutes. Use a timer.
This is not optional. This bath is your plant's first line of defense against decay.
Most people go straight from cutting to soil. That is the gap where they fail.
Without protection in these critical hours, fungal colonization begins before the plant can even try.
After 10 minutes, remove your cuttings. Now we move to the most powerful step, aloe vera.
If you don't have aloe, your neighbor does. Ask them. It is the fuel for the fire. Aloe naturally contains plant hormones called auxins, the same found in expensive powders. It also has cytokinins that stimulate cellular division and rapid root formation. Nature's lab.
Run the scraped base directly through the fresh aloe gel. Coat the entire area thickly. This locks in moisture and triggers root cell production from the very first day in the dirt.
Don't wipe it off. Don't rinse it. Plant it exactly like this. The gel is the secret.
The gel will continue working inside the soil, hydrating, protecting, and triggering life. For the growing medium, use high-quality organic potting mix, rich, dark, and alive. You want something that retains moisture but drains well. Compact soil is a killer. Avoid it.
You don't need special equipment. Plastic cups or cut-off bottles work perfectly. Pure reuse.
Adding drainage holes at the bottom. No drainage means rot. No rot means survival. Do it now.
Insert your aloe-coated cutting about 5 to 7 centimeters deep. Deep enough to take root.
Firm the soil enough to hold it upright, but don't pack it so tight you restrict the breath.
Use the leftover cinnamon water for their very first drink. Don't throw it away. Use it.
That antimicrobial solution will inoculate the entire root zone against the dark forces of rot. Water slowly and in rounds. Add some, wait, then add more. Patience is the first virtue.
Only when you see it dripping from the bottom is the entire root zone properly hydrated. Full.
Placement is critical. Your cuttings need bright, indirect light. Near a window is perfect.
Avoid direct sun entirely for the first 4 weeks. It is a fire that will consume them. Filter it.
Think of it as life support. The cutting has no roots to replace what the sun steals. Save it. Heat and direct sun are its biggest enemies right now. Protect the life you've started. Shade. For the first 2 to 3 weeks, nothing appears to happen. That is normal. Trust the biology. Underground, roots are forming. By day 30, they'll emerge. By day 60, they are ready for the world.
Water once daily. Misting is ideal for the first week. Maintain the balance of moisture. Steady.
Check the soil with your finger. If it's dry, it's time to water. If damp, leave it alone. Balance.
This is what success looks like at 90 days. A thriving, living organism born from a branch. Power.
This root system means your plant is strong enough for its permanent home in the earth. You won. Cuttings fruit faster than seeds, much faster. It is the shortcut to abundance you need. Take it. Sometimes within the same season, you'll see real food. It's the miracle of hidden systems. Fruit. Free plants for your own garden are everywhere once you know how to see. Abundance is waiting. Seeds. Free plants for your own garden are everywhere once you know how to see. Abundance is waiting. Seeds.
One branch, done right, becomes a producing plant. That is the economy of the new world, yours.
That's the foundation of real food self-sufficiency. Creating life from nothing. Pure freedom. Root.
Before I show you more, let's talk about why things go wrong. Failure is the greatest teacher. Learn.
Avoid these 5 common mistakes and you will root almost every single plant you touch. Guaranteed.
Number 1, overwatering. It's the most common killer. Too much water is as bad as too little. Death.
Waterlogged soil creates rot. Once it sets in, the cutting is dead. There is no coming back. Drain.
Number 2, direct sun. Before roots form, it's a death sentence. Harsh light will kill the hope. Shade.
Harsh sun is a death sentence. Keep them in the shade for at least a month. Protect the weak. Life. Number 3, skipping the bark scraping. This is the most skipped step. It's the biggest error. Scrape. Without exposing that cambium, root emergence is blocked. Don't be lazy. Do the work. Scrape it.
It suffocates roots. Always use a light organic potting mix. Give them room to breathe and grow. Soft. It suffocates roots. Always use a light organic potting mix. Give them room to breathe and grow. Soft.
It destroys fragile new tissue. Use a transparent cup to see progress without touching. Watch, wait, grow.
It destroys fragile new tissue. Use a transparent cup to see progress without touching. Watch, wait, grow.
Let me give you the science. Scraping exposes the vascular cambium, cells that can become roots. Power. Auxins from Aloe signal these cells to divide. Nature's own command for life to begin. Command it.
Cinnamon prevents pathogens. First, a callus forms, a cluster of protective cells. Then, life starts.
By day 20, those initials anchor the plant, elongating into actual root filaments, the anchor of life.
Callus to initiation to emergence. It's a journey of 30 days. 1 month to change your future. Time.
By day 30, the anchor is set. The system is complete. Your plant is now a survivor. Established. Anchor.
This is why every serious gardener maintains a mother plant. One specimen for everything you need. Strategy. You continuously propagate without ever buying from a nursery again. Forever. It's the cycle of life. Strategy.
Propagating plants is radical. You're opting out of the commercial system. Free of the chains. Free.
You're creating abundance from nothing. Real freedom in your own backyard. It is yours. Abundance forever.
A fruit tree from a nursery costs $100. A cutting from a neighbor costs nothing. Zero. Nothing. Zero. 10 minutes of your time and ingredients you already own. That is the real economy. That is true value. Zero. Sharing cuttings is the oldest form of community. It predates currency in grocery stores. Human connection. Deep. It's how humans have thrived for 10,000 years. Neighbor to neighbor, heart to heart, sharing life, community.
10 years from now, your entire garden could be descended from a single gifted branch. Your legacy. Legacy?
That's the real return on investment. The life you leave behind. The food you grow. Your legacy. Start today. Legacy.
Let's recap. Select a finger-thick branch, remove most leaves, scrape the bark base. 2.5 centimeters. Recap.
Soak in cinnamon water for 10 minutes. This is your shield, your first line of defense. Clean. Recap. First. Coat in aloe vera gel. Plant in organic mix. Bright indirect light. Daily misting. You're done. Recap. Final.
Give it 90 days. Trust the biology. Do not disturb the root zone. Patience is the power. Wait. Recap. 90 days.
Commit to the timeline. 90 days to change everything. A plant that produces for 20 years. Future. Hope. 90.
Trust the biology. These 90 days are the foundation of your future abundance. Mark it. 90 days. Start now. Mark.
This channel exists to help you grow more food, spend less money, and become self-sufficient. Join the movement. Join.
Become genuinely self-sufficient. One plant at a time. It's possible for everyone. Join us now. Join, join, join.
Hit subscribe right now. Not for the algorithm, for yourself, for your future, for your survival. Subscribe, join.
Every video will save you money and teach you what the modern world forgot. Don't wait. Subscribe now. Join. Turn on notifications. I post new techniques every week. You'll never miss a secret. Never miss life. Notify. Join.
Techniques that change how you grow your own food. Stay connected. Never miss a single secret. Join. Notify. Join.
Your success inspires this entire global community. Tell us what you're growing below. Right now. Join. Comment. Join.
Your success inspires this entire global community. Tell us what you're growing below. Right now. Join. Comment. Join.
And if this helps someone you know, share it. One share can change their whole garden. Share. Join.
That one share might be the thing that finally makes it work for them. Spread the abundance. Share. Join.
Propagating is empowering. You are no longer dependent on any store. You are free. Power, freedom, empowerment. Join.
You are working directly with nature, the way humans have for 10,000 years, working with the life. Join. Power. Join.
Try this method. Be patient. Then come back and tell me it worked. I'll be here, waiting for your life to grow. Join.
See you in the next one. Happy growing. Goodbye for now. Your journey starts today. Join.